Hi there, glad you could make it. Welcome to Birmingham. We've arrived, Birmingham Airport of course, and my name is Stevo. I'll be taking you around the show. We usually fly to Birmingham and we're coming from Edinburgh. There's a 2-minute trip on the monorail which takes you into Birmingham International Railway Station. A 10-minute walk undercover takes you to your destination, the NEC in Birmingham. It's showtime. This is why we've journeyed here to Birmingham today, the Practical Classics Classic and Restoration Car Show. Well, that's it, we're here. It's the anticipation of getting in. We've got a queue gathering at the door, just waiting to get in for their feast of practical classics and restorations. If you are arriving for the show opening, you'll find that there are queues because people are coming from all over the country, Scotland, England, Ireland and Wales, but it's certainly worth it. Alright, coming up to your last queue, and that's to get scanned in. The show in 2022 will take you roughly an hour and 20 minutes to walk round, and that's without stopping, but I've trawled the halls so you don't have to. You'll find that this will take you 10 minutes to get round, and this will give you an idea if you're going to the show on days 2 and 3 what you're likely to see, and also it'll give you an idea what you may have missed if you weren't able to manage to the show this year.
On your credit card, it will put them wrong. I thought it was very good actually. That would be more ideal. Sorry. You'll remember Luke's time.
Apologies if they're wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're wrong.
Oh, you can get the new bigger. I don't know what that was. 150. I'm going to build an extension of the back of the shed. That one that you're going to knock down, that we're completing up.
Fantastic. We're certainly up and running, and this is only the first hour of the show. You can see how busy it is. You've just had a quick tour of one of the halls, and we'll head through for the rest. And everybody's, I think they're enjoying it actually, everybody's up for it. So come with me and I'll show you around a little bit more. We'll move into the second hall. Excellent, we're making great progress. That's 2 halls completed and we've got 1 more to go. Come with me and I'll take you around. Take a deep breath.
You turn it into some kind of... Yeah. Well, I'm just going to move it. When you get into
Hello everybody, hiya, toot toot, beep beep. Remember to give us the thumbs up, and if you want to be first when the next films are released, remember to subscribe to SLR.tv. That's it from the 2022 Practical Classics, Classic Car and Restoration Show. There's loads more to come from the show, so join Gregory Bear and Stevo next time on SLR.tv. Toot toot, beep beep, see ya!